for those who want to gain weight. Today I have brought 4 nutritious foods that will help you gain weight in a few days if you eat them for breakfast. Number 1. Tapioca pearl pudding is the best food for breakfast. Eating tapioca pearl pudding for breakfast every day will help you gain weight faster. Number 2. Eating banana and curd also causes weight gain. By cutting small pieces of banana and putting it in curd, the weight starts increasing rapidly. Banana and curd are very effective in gaining weight. Senior wrestlers eat curd and banana for breakfast. Number 3. Soak almonds and raisins overnight. Chew almonds and raisins in the morning for breakfast. Number 4. Breakfast of sprouts is also very effective in increasing weight. Sprouts have a lot of power when you soak lentils or chickpeas. After that, when they swell, their strength increases. If you eat these 4 types of breakfast, it will also increase your weight. It will also bring freshness to the face. The body will keep strong from within.